Riverside has designed an approach to education for our children who are with us under the Right to Education Act that ensures that their academic needs and their well-being are addressed.
Lion, elephant.
The academic program is kicked off by first conducting a home visit for the children to understand the background from where they come in. And to reduce the achievement gap, one-on-one sessions are conducted through the entire year so that the academic rigor can be sustained.
Alright, so my first sound is run. Fan.
And retention is further ensured by the Riverside team conducting a summer school through the holidays.
This is a chair or is this a sofa? ये title है. क्या है? What is the title? So bubbles is selfish.
Riverside understands that the first teacher of a child is its parent, and the investment in the parent becomes a very fundamental part of the design of the experiences. This investment in our parents is done through multiple ways. We conduct academic workshops such as maybe computer, language or math.
जो वर्ड्स आपको आते हैं, जो शब्द आपके दिमाग में आते हैं साउंड से, वो आप मुझे बताएंगे. ट्रेन, ट से ट्रेन, ट्रेन. टोमेटो, वेरी नाइस. ओके, आपने ये कौन सा 3 लेटर वर्ड बनाया? मैप. म एप मैप. मैप. अच्छा, ये आपको पता है क्या है? ये संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, 10 को कौन सा दिन? 10 Friday.
We also conduct well-being workshops. It could be around hygiene and nutrition for the children.
where he is able to share full story. तो उसका आप इलस्ट्रेशन भी देखोगे तो धीरे धीरे इम्प्रूव हुआ है और उसका शेयरिंग भी देखोगे तो इम्प्रूव हुआ है.
By doing this, we have found that the parents are able to then take this investment back into the home and interact with the child with more confidence.
कौन-कौन से 3 लेटर वर्ड सीखे आपने?
All of this has meant that our parents believe that they're a really integral part of the Riverside community.
My name is Santi. My son name is Sagar.
ठीक में K1 का मीटिंग खत्म. My name is Santi बोलने नहीं आया था, खाली मेरा नाम बताइए. तो सागर का नाम नहीं आया. My son name सागर K1 बोलने नहीं सकी. इसमें मैं रुक गई थी. मैं सबको पूछी क्या बोलती फिर मैंने हिंदी में बताया. अभी मेरे को इंग्लिश में आता है.
Riverside would like to advocate that the right to education model is not an either-or, but when designed as an inclusive program, then no child will be left behind.
What do you think he's doing here?
He's drawing a paper and he's playing with a toy.
Okay. What do you think bubbles is? Is this a bubble?
Yeah.
Or is that bubbles?
They both are
They both are bubbles.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
There is a saying that it requires a village to raise one child. We believe the same when we talk about children at Riverside, that the entire Riverside community needs to come together to build the well-being and the academic progress of our children. So at Riverside, we have teachers who constantly stay updated about the Act.
We visit various schools to understand the best practices of RTE at their schools. We also meet experts to understand the legalities of the Act.
We have parents who come in and become a strong support system for these children. We also have the older buddies who come and who work with these children and take care of their social, emotional, physical and cognitive growth.
Bro. Any word? What? Tell me.
Brown.
And these buddies become a very, very strong strategy for a class teacher to use. So it is not just one teacher who is teaching in the classroom, but if each child has one buddy, then it becomes 20 teachers teaching 20 children in the classroom.